Thank you for tuning in to Corporate Inc. and welcome to our video on complete digital marketing for beginners. In today's digital age, having an effective online presence is crucial for any business. Digital marketing offers a wide range of opportunities for businesses to connect with their target audience and achieve their marketing goals. In this video, we'll go over the basics of digital marketing and help you get started on your digital marketing journey. Understanding digital marketing. Digital marketing is the process of using digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and other digital platforms to promote products or services. It involves a range of activities such as SEO, PPC advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and more. The ultimate goal of digital marketing is to increase website traffic, generate leads, and convert those leads into paying customers. Building a digital marketing strategy. To build an effective digital marketing strategy, you need to define your goals, target audience, and budget. Start by identifying your target audience and their needs. Determine what digital channels your target audience uses and develop a plan to reach them through those channels. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals for your digital marketing campaign. Finally, allocate your budget wisely to maximize your ROI. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing your website to improve its visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs. This involves optimizing your website's content, technical aspects, and backlinks. By improving your website's ranking in SERPs, you can increase your website traffic and generate more leads. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. PPC advertising is a form of online advertising where you pay each time someone clicks on your ad. PPC ads are displayed on search engine results pages, social media platforms, and other digital channels. To get started with PPC advertising, you need to create a Google Ads account or sign up for a social media advertising platform. Then, you can create your ad campaigns and target your audience based on demographics, interests, and more. Social media marketing involves promoting your products or services on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others. To get started with social media marketing, you need to create social media profiles for your business and start engaging with your followers. You can also use social media advertising to reach a wider audience. Email marketing involves sending promotional emails to your subscribers to promote your products or services. To get started with email marketing, you need to build an email list and create email campaigns that are targeted and personalized. You can use email marketing to nurture leads and convert them into paying customers. Content marketing. This involves creating valuable, informative, and engaging content that attracts and retains your target audience. This can include blog posts, videos, infographics, ebooks, and more. By creating high-quality content, you can establish your business as an authority in your industry and attract more leads. Digital marketing is essential to the success of any business in today's digital age. Here are some reasons why. Increased visibility. With digital marketing, businesses can reach a wider audience than with traditional marketing methods. By optimizing their website for search engines and promoting their products or services on social media platforms, businesses can increase their visibility and attract more leads. Targeted advertising. Digital marketing allows businesses to target their advertising to specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. This ensures that their advertising is more effective and that they reach the right people. Cost-effective. Digital marketing is generally more cost-effective than traditional marketing methods. With digital marketing, businesses can reach a wider audience at a lower cost. Measurable results. Digital marketing provides businesses with measurable results, such as website traffic, lead generation, and conversion rates. This allows businesses to track their marketing efforts and adjust their strategies accordingly. The profits that businesses can generate from digital marketing depend on a variety of factors, such as their industry, target audience, and marketing budget. However, studies have shown that businesses can see a significant return on investment, ROI, from digital marketing. Here are some statistics. According to a study by HubSpot, Businesses that prioritize blogging as part of their digital marketing strategy are 13 times more likely to see a positive ROI. Another study by Google found that businesses that use Google Ads generate an average of $2 in revenue for every $1 spent on advertising. According to a study by Social Media Examiner, 66% of marketers saw lead generation benefits by spending just 6 hours per week on social media. An email marketing study by Campaign Monitor found that for every $1 spent on email marketing, businesses can expect an average return of $44. In conclusion, digital marketing offers a wide range of opportunities for businesses to connect with their target audience and achieve their marketing goals. By following the tips and strategies we've discussed in this video, you can build an effective digital marketing campaign that drives website traffic, generates leads, and converts those leads into paying customers. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on digital marketing and print-on-demand deals.